Girl prophets. Very good question, mashallah. Why are there not any girl prophets? The reason, I'll tell you that. Have you read the story of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Complete biography, complete story of his. When he said to people that Allah has made me the prophet. Do you know how old was he at that time? How old was he? Anybody? Yeah? He was 40, yes, 40. In his 40 years of his life, everybody loved him because he was such an amazing man. His family loved him, people loved him. People called him, oh, he's truthful, he always speaks the truth. He's such an honest man. People loved him. You know, when the first time he said that Allah has made me the prophet, when the angel came to him in the cave of Hira, their people started hating him. They started abusing him, torturing him. They did so many things to harm him, to hurt him. He went to Taif, another city, and people hit him stones. Imagine if she was a girl, or any prophet was a girl. Who are stronger physically, boys or girls? What do you think? Yeah, Allah has made them stronger, yes. That's why they can lift heavy weights. Girls cannot do that, right? They are physically weaker, but they're internally very strong. Do you know that? The girls are very strong from within. Boys are stronger from outside. So imagine that if there was a girl prophet, and she had said to people that I am a prophet, if Allah had made her a prophet, say, she could not have taken all of this. So Allah Ta'ala has saved girls from all of these difficulties. That's why Allah Ta'ala did not make any girl a prophet. Understood? Jazakallah.